In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your chosen protocol from your computer to the Lenulux Plus device. First of all, be sure your program is running. Choose the protocol that you want to use. Load it to the operation panel here. And then attach your unit into your computer. Be sure the unit is attached to the PowerPoint. And then just push the USB cable into the PC cont hole. And the other end, of course, should be connected to your computer. And then just go to the device menu, download your protocol from your computer to the unit, and it's done. It's already running. You can see here. And from this point, your program is running. You can enjoy the benefits of it. Of course, as I explained in the other video, you have to attach the 3 antennas before you start using the unit. And that's all. If you want to pause the program, you can pause it from the unit, or you can pause it from here. And when you are ready to run it again, just continue. And if you want to stop the program, just hit stop, and the running of your protocol will be stopped. That's all. Enjoy using it.